it covers. Ama niwafungulie kidogo muone. Hello? 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 Astimio? Okay, I do not know why I have thought it's a good idea to be starting my videos with that. Hello? Astimio? Anywho, the only reason I am here at the beginning of these recent videos is so that I can remind you to subscribe, because I've been on these streets of YouTube for like 1 million years. I have more videos than some of you, and you have more subscribers than I do. So I am here to just ask you, ni simuni subscribe, just get me to 1,000 subscribers, and then the rest will sort itself out. Yani, I have been struggling, and you see, this is the only channel where you get to learn about commercial modeling. But then, because of subscribers, I decided to do something that people want more, and that is house hunting. But then it rubs off the uniqueness of my channel, which I'm going to go back to. But this is the only place where you learn how to do those TV adverts, those radio adverts, and how to just get into the film and entertainment industry, because I am the queen of TV commercials in the country. So this house I'm going to do, it's 1 bedroom that is just next. In fact, all these NASRA houses that I have done are all in one street, like from the beginning to the end. They are closest to Shujaa Mall, especially this one. You can literally wake up, get out of the house, walk to Shujaa Mall, which is like less than 5 minutes away, and then walk back to your house, which is again less than 5 minutes away. So subscribe. Subscribe to a yeah. Hiya, thank you. Hit the notification button so that you can be reminded. Oh, this is my face without makeup. After these videos of housing, the next video I'm going to do, I even have my conditioner here to show you what is underneath this old horrible wig. It is growing old, but who cares? It covers. Ama niwafungulie kidogo muone. Bye. Subscribe.